How to make loan payment online with Regions Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to pay your Regions Bank loan quickly, well here is how you can do it online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in with your account and once logged in on your main dashboard, you simply have to click loans and select the loan you want to pay and there just click make a payment and choose the account you want to pay from, and after that you simply have to enter the payment amount and select the date like today or schedule for later, and with that you simply have to review the details carefully and then click submit or confirm payment, and with that you will get a confirmation on screen and via email that your payment has been processed. And that's it. That's how you can make loan payment online with Regions Bank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.